This mod menu adds basic options to NFS Carbon and show how to install and use it easily. Check my video description for this mod link. Just scroll down and go to Files tab and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And now open this mod menu. Need to navigate to the game folder. Just right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Just drag and drop this two files inside the game folder. Replace the file in the destination and select continue. Just close it up here and launch the game. Once you are in game, press the insert key in your keyboard and go to the settings tab for texting this mod menu. Start pursuit and the cop will find you. Once you near to the cop, select this no blustered and this blustered option will be freezed. You can hold the game and drink your coffee or do something else, and the mod menu works perfectly fine. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.